This is the color scheme that I use for my videos. Make sure you copy down the black.
So the easiest way to think about this, I think, is to treat it like a quadratic equation. You have 2x squared minus 4x minus t equals 0 after removing the t over. And so then if you were to put this all into the quadratic formula, what values of t would give you imaginary solutions? Imaginary solutions. So in other words, that thing that's inside of the square root, the discriminant, has got to be a negative number. It's got to be less than 0. And then if you do that, the quadratic formula will yield imaginary solutions. Okay, so we've got b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. Plugging in the negative 4 squared minus 4ac, here 4ac, is less than 0. Multiply everything out, you get 16 plus 8t is less than 0, or 8t is less than negative 16. You need t to be less than negative 2. And the only number here that's less than negative 2 is this one right here. So if you were to plug negative 3 back in, you would be able to, and you could do the quadratic formula on this if you wanted to, you'd get imaginary numbers. But you don't have to. You just need to jump right to the answer, and there it is. Now, I wanted to show you also, if you had access to a graphing calculator, which you don't in this problem, but if you did, if you wanted to graph it, you'd see that this has no real solutions because it doesn't touch the x-axis. It has no x-intercept, so therefore the polynomial itself has no real solutions.